Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one very important method used in competitive programming in case of string, and that is, suppose I am defining a string with hello. Okay, then I want to count how many number of times the particular character L is appearing. So what we can write, x dot count, and then inside parenthesis give the character for which you want to count the frequency. If you run, you will be getting 2. Okay, suppose you want to get the frequency of occurrence of h, you will write h, you will be getting output as 1. So this is very important method. I forgot to mention in my previous video, so that I am telling here. Now very important concept which I am going to discuss, that is string immutability. Okay, what is that? See, suppose I am defining w equal to suppose welcome. Okay, now what is w of 0? W of 0 is nothing but capital W. W of 1 is nothing but E. Like that indexing works in case of positive indexing, right? Now suppose you want to change this character E. Okay, due to some reason you have to make it capital. Okay, suppose, just think. So what we can do, W of 1 equal to capital E we are writing. Okay, because our intention is kind of getting this kind of string WELCOME, that is W and E capital and LCOME is in small. Okay, so what we are doing, we are extracting that particular index and we are putting there capital E instead of small e. Okay, now if we run, see, we will be getting error. Okay, string object does not support item assignment. Okay, remember this in your mind always. String is immutable in case of Python. Okay, you cannot change a particular character if you want after defining one string. Okay, what you can do, you can define like w equal to I am defining some other string, that I can do. But once a string is created, for that a particular character cannot be changed, because string is immutable. Immutable means mutation cannot be done. And what is the meaning of mutation? Mutation means the property of changing. Okay, so change cannot be done in case of string. Okay, very important. So strings are immutable in Python. Like that, while I will be discussing tuple, you will observe that tuple is also immutable data structure in Python, whereas list data structure are mutable. Okay, later I will be showing all those things step by step. So for the time being, this is all for this video. What we have learned today, one is count method, another one is string immutability property. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.